Unit 4, Beautiful Nature. Talk time. Exercise 1. Listen and point.
Look, it's a snake. It's short. No, it's long. Look, it's a bat. It's beautiful. No, it's ugly. Look, it's a snake. It's short. No, it's long. Look, it's a bat. It's beautiful. No, it's ugly.
Look, it's a snake.
It's short.
No, it's long.
Look, it's a bat.
It's beautiful.
No, it's ugly.
Fun time. Exercise 4. Find something beautiful. Look around and find a beautiful or an ugly object.
Find something that's beautiful or ugly.
Look at the beautiful flower. Yes, it is.
Look, it's a bat. It's ugly.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Good. Can you find more?
Rhythms and listening. Exercise 1. Sing and march. I love the mountains.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when all the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yada.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when all the lights are low. Boom-de-yada, 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 boom-de-yada.
Exercise 2. Listen and find. Play the piano. Use one hand only.
Let's practice first. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside. Are you ready to play? I love the flowers. I love the fireside. I love the daffodils. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. Let's do it faster. I love the fireside. I love the mountains.
I love the daffodils. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Falling, falling game. Listen to the teacher and do.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Falling, falling, what's falling?
Rain,
Falling, falling, what's falling?
snow,
Falling, falling, what's falling?
leaves,
Falling, falling, what's falling?
apples,
Falling, falling, what's falling?
rocks.
This is fun!
Okay, good. Let's play it for real.
Words in action. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
1. Long,
Long.
2. Short,
Short.
3. Big,
Big.
4. Small,
Small.
5. Quiet,
Quiet.
6. Noisy,
Noisy.
7. Weak,
Weak.
8. Strong,
Strong.
Fun time. Exercise 4. Opposite to the leader game. Do the opposite action, like this.
It's big.
It's small!
It's noisy.
What's that?
It's noisy.
It's quiet.
It's quiet.
It's noisy!
It's strong.
It's weak.
It's long.
It's short.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say. C and G jingles.
C says k, k, cat. C says k, k, cake. C says k, k, cap. G says g, g, goat. G says g, g, gorilla. G says g, g, girl.
C says k, k, cat. C says k, k, cake. C says k, k, cap. G says g, g, goat. G says
Exercise 2. Color the voiced letter in green and the unvoiced letter in yellow.
Touch your voice box and say k, 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 k. Do you feel something? Now say g, 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 g. Do you feel something? If you feel something, it's called voiced. Color the voiced letter green. If you don't feel anything, it's called unvoiced. Color the unvoiced letter yellow.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Word making game. Listen to the teacher and hold up the letters.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Can you make this word? Bag. Bag.
B, b. Ah. G, g. Bag.
Good job!
We got it!
Now can you make this word? Cat. Cat.
K, k. T, t. Cat.
Good job!
We got it!
Can you make this word? Bug. Bug.
B, b. G, g. Bug. We got it!
Okay, good. Let's play for real.